start today, we are going to be reviewing narrative nonfiction. Narrative nonfiction gives facts about a topic. Okay, so let's think of what a fact is. A fact is a statement or it is a thing that can be proven true. For example, it's a little hard to see, but I am wearing a t-shirt. It is purple. That is true. I know maybe in the camera it might look a little bit different, but it is purple because today is Friday and it's Wear Purple Day. Show your spirit. There you go. Okay, so if you can't see this that well, I'm going to upload this picture so you can on the slide so you can see all the details a little bit better. So let's go over the characteristics of a narrative nonfiction. So narrative nonfiction text can have real settings. So for example, think of HEB, think of your room, think of your classroom, school, the playground. Those are all real, okay? Real people or animals. So can you think of some examples? I'm going to give you a moment. If you're in person, we can go ahead and pause if you'd like and maybe get some examples from your students. If you're at home, maybe you can tell an adult or sibling or your stuffed animal. Give some examples of real people or animals. All right, so the ones that come to my head are you, me, my pet, let's see, Dr. Borowitz, your teachers, your family. Those are all real people. Okay, the next one, photos. So right here I have it's a book, but you can see that's an actual photograph of an elephant. Maybe elephant. Okay, photo. Taken with a camera, it's real. It's not a drawing, right? So then that leads us to realistic artwork. And I actually have a book right here. Now, this drawing right here, it looks pretty realistic, but it's not. It's not a photograph. It is a drawing of a honeybee. And it looks pretty real. The details are all there, but it's just a drawing. So that's what realistic artwork is. It's not taken with a camera. It's drawn, but it looks very real to the real thing. Okay? Events in time order. So think of the words like beginning, middle, end, first, next, then, last. I'm sure some of you, maybe not all of you, but some of you have prepared cereal. So think of the steps, the first thing you do to the last thing you do whenever you're preparing cereal. Well, first what I do is I get my bowl out, I get my spoon, I get all the stuff I need. Cereal, the milk, I have my bowl, I pour the cereal, I then pour the milk, and then get the spoon, I put everything away, and then I enjoy my cereal. So that's what I mean by events in time order. How you prepare something, when you wake up in the morning, what do you do first, next, then, last, all that stuff, just in order, okay? Okay, the next one is dialogue. Dialogue is when you're having a conversation with someone, okay? So, let's see. Think about a conversation you had with maybe your parent or adult or sibling or a friend. You take turns talking. So earlier I was talking to Miss Reed. I was talking about something, and then she was waiting and listening, and then she responded. So we were talking back and forth, okay? That's a dialogue when you have a conversation. Words that describe. So I have this basket right here. So I'm going to describe it. This is a basket. It is orange. It is plastic. I would say it's a medium-sized basket. And maybe a little hard to tell, but it's kind of shiny, and it's smooth on some parts, a little bit rough on the other parts. So I'm describing this basket. I talked about the color, I talked about how it felt, the size. So that's words that describe. Okay, text features, that's the last one. Well, we've been discussing text features. We've been learning about charts, labels, diagrams, headings. I'm trying to think if there's any more. I think that's all we've learned. So that is narrative nonfiction. That's the kind of books we've been reading. We've been focusing on those kind of books. So we read this on Monday. I'm Amelia Earhart. This was a narrative nonfiction. And yesterday we read How Do You Know It's Winter? And this was also a narrative nonfiction. And throughout the rest of the week, we will continue to focus on those type of books. Okay?